Wait a second, Insta360 just did what? Guys, we've been waiting for the Go 4, right? The next evolution in tiny action cams, the one we've all been hyping up, but instead, Insta360 pulls a fast one and drops the Go 4S. What's the S for? Surprise? Shock? Something spectacular? I don't know, but if these leaks are legit, this could be the mic drop moment we didn't see coming. Let's dive in and see why this sneaky little camera might just be your next creative powerhouse. Let's be real. Everyone was betting on a straightforward Go 4 launch, right? Insta360 has this steady release rhythm we've come to expect, and the Go 4 seemed like the logical next step. But nope. They've gone rogue with the Go 4S, a possible upgrade, or maybe even a placeholder for the Go 4. Either way, it's unexpected, it's weird, and it's got potential written all over it. Okay, first impressions. The Go 4S keeps the sleek, ultra-compact design we all know and love. Magnetic body? Check. Hands-free shooting? Check. But look closer. See that lens? It's noticeably bigger, and you know what that means. Better optics, a beefier sensor, or both. If this thing isn't a low-light performance beast, I'll eat my lens cap. Here's where it gets spicy. That second cutout under the lens? Rumor has it, it's a flash. And honestly, that's a game changer. Close-ups, indoor vlogs, or just adding a little extra pizzazz to your shots, this could be a killer feature Insta360's been holding back. And let's not forget the audio. The Go 3S already gave us a solid bump in sound quality. But if the 4S is upping its wind noise reduction game, we might be looking at one of the best-sounding micro-action cams ever. What's under the hood of the Insta360 Go 4S? Well, let's speculate responsibly here. If this new release is indeed building on the Go 3S, there are some exciting possibilities. First, we could see native 4K video at 60 FPS or better. Imagine buttery smooth footage packed into a camera that fits in your pocket. Then, there's the potential for improved stabilization. Insta360's flow state tech is already impressive, but what if they've taken it up a notch? We might be looking at next level gimbal-free smoothness. And, of course, there's the hope for a battery life boost. Let's face it, no one ever complains about a longer runtime, especially when it comes to a camera this tiny. Each of these upgrades would make the Go 4S a serious contender in the action cam market, offering creators even more power and convenience. So, how much will this little beast cost? The Go 3S launched at $399. If the 4S comes packed with these upgrades, we're probably looking at something in the $400 to $450 range. Pricey, maybe. Worth it? Totally depends on how they deliver on those promises. This move feels strategic. Insta360 could be setting up the Go 4S as a bridge. A refined, incremental upgrade to keep creators happy while they perfect the Go 4 for a massive launch later. Or maybe this is their way of saying, hey, we listen, here's what you wanted faster. Insta360 has always been about pushing boundaries, and the Go 4S feels like another step in that direction. It's compact, it's feature-packed, and if the rumors hold true, it's a serious contender in the micro-action cam market. But what do you think? Is the Go 4S the upgrade we didn't know we needed, or are you holding out for the Go 4? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.